Hey guys, welcome to With Love from Jess, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make some pepper steak. So tune in and keep watching. First, you're going to need some steak. You're going to need one whole red bell pepper, one whole green bell pepper, and one whole onion. You're going to want to cut your onions into longer slices like this. Also, you're going to cut your peppers into strips. We are going to season our steak with some chili powder. Next, I added some oregano. And as y'all can tell, I love my Creole seasoning. Next, I am going in with some sea salt and some black pepper. And now I'm gonna add some garlic powder and just give it a nice little mix and get all those flavors in, and just add some more seasoning. Now that we're done seasoning our steak, we are going to start browning it. Now we just want to see some nice browning, and then we're going to put it to the side and repeat this method until all of our steak is nice and brown. Once all of our steak is nice and cooked, we're going to put that to the side, and we're going to add in our onions and bell peppers into the same pot and just stir it and just cook it until it has a nice color like this. So I just went ahead and added the steak back into the pan, also with 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 cups of water, and about a 1/4 cup of beef broth. And I just let this come to a simmer and let that simmer for about 25 to 35 minutes. And here goes my pepper steak now that it is all done. I just served it with some brown rice and quinoa and some broccoli. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching.